Hey, how's it going? I'm Nathan.
I'm Will.
And this is our Bull Run car. 2005 Ford Focus.
Yeah.
Got it for $1,000.
It's a beast.
It's a beast. It's recording. Recording us. Recording.
Did you bring your camcorder? So just do it. Just fucking
Yeah, just do it.
slam around, tear up shit.
Not my car, but yeah.
Oh.
Just hitting the highway. We're about 22 miles from town. From where? Ooh, I was about to fall over.
Oh, and there it goes. But yeah, we're from Moab, Utah. I don't know if you guys remember this. They filmed, what was it, season 2? There, a challenge in Moab, Utah.
Yeah, a challenge.
We're from Moab, right? I mean, it's such a booming town. You guys should just pick us up just because we're from fucking Moab. Well, I guess without the fuck, but you know, we're from Moab. Yeah, pick us up.
Yeah, season 2, there was a box challenge. Boxers were falling out of trucks. Bull Run knows it, but
oh, yeah,
any fan of Bull Run would know it.
And if you're looking at this just for Bull Run, then know what we're talking about, right?
Yeah. Bull Run. How many times have we said that?
I don't know. We're trying to get on Bull Run. That's it, right now. 125 Bull Run, right there.
Bull Run.
There's a lot of odds, but I mean, he's driving and trying to be on film at the same time, which is very talented. See that? They drive a wheelman right here. You know, wheelman and a Navajo. I mean, the combination for television is like pure Emmy gold right there. Okay, that's all you need to know. That's why we'll be on Bull Run, right? Yeah, Bull Run. We're on it. Bull Run. That's it one more time. 125 Bull Run. Yeah.